Alright, so here go my lower ball joints. Cheap eBay ones. They're like $20 for both of them. It actually feels like real good quality. It's real firm, I can't move it. That's the brand right there. Alright, so I got the little steering knuckle, or whatever you want to call this thing, the spindle. I got it off. All you had to do is disconnect the lower ball joint right here, and then the upper one, and then this, the tie rod in. And then you want to get this clip off of here to get this lower ball joint to come out. I think I'm gonna just try to hammer it out after I get this clip off, but I'm struggling with this clip. I've been trying to get it off for like 5 minutes now. Alright, so got it off. Basically what we did was to get the clip off, we just took pliers and pried it apart, and then we pried up on it. We pried up on it to get it to offset, and then we just worked all the way around until we popped it all the way out. And then took what size is this? The axle nut. Took the axle nut and hammered it out. Hammered it out of place, and then just hit this part to get it all the way out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the new one. Just gonna take some bearing grease and put it on here. Help.
Let me get in here.
Please help. Will Smith me.
That's how you know you got the wrong tool. When you buy a tool at Ford, it still don't work. Tool. Trying to make it open and straight. Don't use those curved ones no more. Just use the straight one. Straight ones probably give you more leverage. What you doing here, Andrew? He does not know what he's doing. But it looked like he's trying to get this off here. Like, this is a new one that he just put on here. He's trying to get that off. Right there. That's some long ass nails. The ball joint is bad though. God, look, brand new ball joint on this side, and then he said, I would just leave that one on. Screw go on there, it's fine.
Brand new. Y'all tripping.
We got that mac and cheese sound to it, Andrew.
Like, how many idiots does it take to change a ball joint? Like 5 people standing.
No, I highly doubt this is actually gonna be a video.
Looking like this. He said booty come too easy to be done. We better go out there and get this man.
This ain't trying to drive out there.
Focus.
Take to beat the cheeks. There's a black girl.
Oh, of course not.
You don't like black girls.
Wasting your time already.
This nigga like cholas.
Ugh.
Nigga said, ugh.
Gross.
As I was recording. It's smooth, to be honest, a lot more than it was. In the front end, I felt it a lot stiffer, it felt like. Imagine changing all of them.
See how my house gonna feel after I change the rubber here. On my knees, or my that shit. I've been scared of it ever since the issue with the valve. Scared of it. It's hard to red faster. It's hard to play.
It sounds so fucking nice. I want to go be serious. I kind of want to. How much is it?
You can get a B20 for like $350.
For real?
The handle's way better too.
The shit moves. A lot more than my car, at least.
Yeah, it's clutch aggressive, and then with it not being bled, it's like real hard to.
I heard they have a short gear transmission for my car. They have a short gear transmission for my car.
Oh yeah, the EX transmission.